Hey, Miss Evans, I got something you might be interested to look at. Look what I bought. And you can't have any. I bought a case of Coca-Cola back there. And I bought some Diet Coke. So yeah, there's a 12-pack of Diet Coke in my fridge right now. I'm probably going to wait till all my Coca-Cola's gone to drink any of it. Actually, you know what? I might just drink them all daily. I might just drink them all daily on camera so that Miss Evans feels bad that she doesn't get any. Oh my God. Miss Evans, this might be the most evil thing I've ever done to you. This just might be the most evil thing I've ever done to you. Yeah, well, I can't drink any today for this video because I just had a bang. So if I drink it now, I'll have a freaking heart attack and die. So if I drink a Diet Coke now, I'm going to have a freaking heart attack and die. So one would think I wouldn't risk my freaking life over one would think I wouldn't risk my freaking life over that.
Today is the day of my graduation.
I mean, let Miss Evans have one more dream before I go killing her soul again. Her soul's already dead because of those bottle rockets we did with Diet Coke. Oh God, that's so good. I know. It's going to torture Miss Evans so much. I know, it's great. Hey, Jeximus, look at the camera. No, don't move your head. Mustafa. Anyway, so I bought a 12-pack of Diet Coke. That means 12 days of torture for Miss Evans. Now, I gotta let you go. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, click the bell button. Stay tuned for more videos as usual. Thank you for watching.